Breaking news. Meltalithic truths. We have Curtis 47 and Shawnee B doing um, Red Brick Saturday, showing you truths. They're out in Massachusetts, and let's check this out. And please like, share, and subscribe, and um, share this, man. Get this out to the world because we've been lied to. We live on a crime scene. So here we go. We're sharing Splash. I started watching it. I says, hey, I'm going to record this and upload it, man, and share it with the world. Just empirical evidence, big time. So thanks, Curtis 47, Shawnee B, and all you melt heads out there. Um, I just got done watching Purgatory Falls, and my goodness, Curtis 47. Next time, wear a helmet, brother, and put a sissy string. You know how they had the sissy string with your gloves, so you wouldn't lose your gloves. Anyway, let's check this out, man. Some good stuff, brother. Here we go.
Red Brick Saturday, you know it. Leominster, Massachusetts, walking around a residential neighborhood. Full of bullshit. Every single driveway, every single house, surrounded by these janky walls. And we're just walking down the street here, looking around like we always do. Looking around, walking, right? Let's take a left here to go into these woods. What can we find down here? It's everywhere, guys. It's everywhere. Everywhere you look, especially near water. Anything going over water, you're going to find lots of evidence. Look at this. It appears to be concrete. This is transition red brick. Of course it is. Of course it is. What happened here? What happened? Look at these Meltalithic blocks just falling all over the place down here. Just total destruction down here. Yep. Covered in feather and wedge marks. So it was poured, right? That blocked about 8 feet long. This one's got some strange square inside of it. But yeah, total destruction. I guess what, they just fell down over here when the settlers put them in, and then they just fell down over time? Think again. Let's keep walking. Oh, damn. We got jankiness walls over here. Who put all these over here? I thought they were fighting in civil wars and trying to construct cities and stuff. Who was doing all this? Why is this here in the middle of nowhere? What is this wall doing here? All Meltalithic about it. Look at this. Look at these blocks. Look at these blocks. All quarried, right? They were quarried. Yeah, they're going to eat their own narrative now. They're going to eat their own narrative. This is all quarried. Yeah, right off the side of the road. What's this doing here?
We're going to have to
Shawnee
ask
already
Red
went ahead of me and
Flintstone.
found, look at the size of these feather and wedge. These are huge. Shawnee already went ahead of me and found some badass stampers.
Nice.
Like one for each of us.
Fitchburg Brick Company. Is that what you said? Fitchburg Brick Company. That's right. We are, Leominster is right next to Fitchburg, Massachusetts. We have combed all through Fitchburg. As much time as we spent there, we've probably still only done 10% of that castle. But yeah, just a janky wall up here. It's 8-10 feet off the water. And what do we find if we keep following this wall? What's this doing up here, guys? Who put these red bricks here? What are they doing here? They probably came down off the road, right? And they wanted to do a little patchwork on the top of this Meltalithic wall. Does that make sense to some of you guys? Does that make sense? Huh? This is red brick. This is all red brick. All red brick. What's it doing here? What's it doing here? Yeah, keeps going. We got little bricklets down here. Someone came and put little chunks in, or what happened? Right here? Right here. Who did that? What's this doing on the ground? It's all red brick, guys. This is untouched. No one ever touched this. This is how it looked after the event. Right after the event ended. Looked just like this. Because it's all red brick. All of this. Look at it. All over the ground. Little pieces all over the place. Look at. Look.
Red
Little pieces
bricks.
all over the place. Little bits of survival.
There's also a wall that runs along that water down below us.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and get down there.
I did. Look.
Oh my! You fell in. Which way did you go? This way?
I went down right there on the blocks.
Look at these things. Total destruction.
I tried to move the tree.
Total destruction. Oh my God! You went in? Sucks.
Yep, I went in.
All right, we're gonna try and go down. Let's see.
Right up,
very, very steep.
It's right under the water.
It's even higher than. It's even more than a 45-degree angle. All right, and I'm doing it with one hand because I'm recording. All right, I better not go in. Better not go in. Okay. Yeah, look at this nonsense. This tree is consuming these freaking massive blocks. Whoa, I'm sliding down. Oh boy. Oh no.
That's so weird. Where are you?
Both of my motherfucking feet. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Excuse my French. Fuck.
Yep, happened to me too.
Baptize them feet in the melted
Look at this shit.
red brick
guys.
realm.
So the whole
Apparently the video stopped and restarted somehow.
edge of the waterway was edged off with red brick. And then another layer of red brick up there.
I can't believe I just went in like that. Both feet. Kidding me. But this is what we do, right? This is what we do. Look at this. What's the red brick doing here? Look at this Meltalithic nonsense, all quarried and janky, and the trees eating it up and growing around it, and this is all destruction, guys. All
That's
of this.
right.
What are these doing there? Why is there red bricks in the hillside? Huh? How come there's a pipe here? What's this pipe doing here? What is that pipe doing there? Wow, I can't even believe that just happened.
Look at the fucking tree.
This is what we do for you guys, okay? I'm sorry about all my swearing, but it's
Forget
all
about
genuine
it.
reaction to nonsense.
Look at the tree eating it up. What the fuck?
All brick through here, guys. There's little pieces everywhere, all through this side. They're everywhere. They're everywhere, guys. Look. Right here. Right here. We'll follow it along. Right here. There's brick everywhere over here. Right here. Look. Right there. See it? There's a pipe right here. It looks like part of the... That looks like part of the pipe. There's all bricks under the water here. I don't know if you can see it. See them? I know you can see it now. All bricks over here. Right here. Why is there all bricks on this hillside, guys? Can someone tell me?
There used to be brick.
It's
That's
all
right,
red brick,
Shawnee
guys.
B. Tell him.
Get it through your head. Okay? All of this. I don't even know how I'm going to get back up. Fucking kidding me. I can't believe that just happened. Well, it happened while recording, so you guys get the whole experience of falling in. That's a first. Look at this. Look at this. Unreal. That granite block on the bottom gave way. Look at this thing. What is this? What is this thing? Look at this. Look at this square bowl hook action. Hold on. Oh, sorry. Look. What is this? Square nut? Some kind of sketchy hook? Huh? What is that? Asphalt pavement? Oh. Okay. Wow, it's gonna be a long day now. It's wet feet. Look at along the sides, guys. It's all built out. It's just all effed up. That is not natural. Okay. It's built up and it's been destroyed in the event. Period. All you guys got to do is get out and walk around and look. Now it's raining on us. Not that it matters. My feet are soaked. They're literally sloshing around. Look at this. All right, that one only went up to my ankle, but the whole shoe. Unreal. And somehow my videos... Oh, look at this. What are these doing here? This is all destruction.
1 feet, cinder block.
All just destruction in the woods. In the woods. What is this all doing here? Wow, I didn't even see this. Hell yeah. I don't know how, but like when I fell in, my video ended and then it started a new one right away. It was really weird. Yep, I don't even like these things. I never have. I've never liked these things, to be honest with you. But yeah, what is all this doing here? We know what it's doing here. We've shown you hundreds, if not thousands of videos out here in the field showing you. Stop believing what you see on the History Channel. That is a fabricated fairy tale.
That's right.
Fake.
Tell 'em,
Everything.
sir.
There's no such thing as history, guys. That's a stamper.
Stop believing the internet researchers also. The guys that don't get in the field try to tell you.
Yeah. Look at all the, look at it. It's laced with red brick down below. See it? You get the pointer out in case you guys can't see it. Okay? It's all red brick right here. Red brick, red brick, red brick, red brick. Right here.
Red brick.
Come over here, you got red brick. You got red brick over here. It's laced, littered, peppered in red brick because the
Are
whole
you getting
thing
it,
is
people?
red brick. Even this hillside. See this hillside?
We live on a crime
You see this
scene.
hillside? This is all transitioned red brick. Period. Look at the gate up there that's all effed up. Look. Look at the gate. Wow.
Welcome to the machine.
Wow, this is treacherous over here. I'm still in shock that I just went in like that. Oh my God. Unreal. It's really not funny, but it is kind of funny. Oh, we just keep following this brook. Oh, and there's just, well, more bricks, more Meltalithic nonsense following this little stream. Cut it out. Cut it out, guys. This is all left over from a cataclysm called the X Factor. Look at these things. Who put these here along this brook? Are you kidding me? Do you know how much work that is? They didn't do that, guys. Look at it. It's on this side, too. It's on this side, too. All the way. All the way. Look at this. The metal right there to your left. What is this? Oh, that might be a piece of modern metal. But who knows? Yeah, all built out, guys. What's all the bricks doing in here? Look at all the bricks. You don't see them? Let me help you. Brick. 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 Bricks right here. All bricks through here, guys. There's no brick in sight. There's no brick in sight, guys. Who came down here and sprinkled them down here? There's no brick around here. Look at the size of these blocks. Look at them. And they can't deny it's not natural, right? How come I know it's not natural? Because of these, there's stupid feather and wedge marks that are right here. Okay? Now they can't claim it's natural because those are feather and wedge marks, and they supposedly quarried them, right? See, they effed up when they came up with that narrative. They effed up because now we can prove it. This is not natural.
Empirical evidence, folks, right here.
What's going on
Live.
over here?
Breaking news.
Oh boy.
Meltalithical
Disaster
truths,
zone. This is all part
unlike
of it too.
geology.
Nobody placed these rocks here. This is all part of it. Look at it. It's like a mound of rocks. This is all structure that's been decimated. All of this. Look at this mound. It was all red brick. Got really effed up in the event. Whoa. Crazy. Insanity. Total insanity. Yep. More Meltalithic blocks as you keep walking. Yep. They got feather and wedge marks, guys. All these blocks have feather and wedge marks. So, someone in the comments, explain to me how they got there. Let me know. Let me know. Are they natural feather and wedge marks? That wouldn't surprise me if someone in comments said that. So, oh God. All right, it's now raining out. It is now raining out, and we're gonna just keep following this mound here that is not natural. These were not placed here. This is a decimated wall, decimated structure, and it goes from a mound, a long line of mound of rocks, back into Meltalithic granite blocks. Let's see if they're quarried. They are. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what they say. This is too square to be anything otherwise. They're going to claim it's quarried. Definitely some big animal over there. Yep. All right, guys. I mean, I don't know how much we got to show you before you believe it.
I believe it.
If you're
I'm a
new to
melted
this,
building believer.
let go of everything you learned, literally. History didn't take place. There was an old world civilization, okay? There was an X Factor event, a cataclysm, which destroyed everything. And the powers that be took over and occupied and refurbished and repurposed all of the structures that were here and put a fake narrative to all of it.
That's right.
That's what happened. There is no history, guys.
Breaking news.
Nothing. None of it took place.
Meltalithic
What is all
truth.
this down here?
Personally, I think they're using us to power the grid now.
Brick. 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 Why is it all there? It's all red brick, guys. Look at the pipe over here. Right here. Yeah, badass. All right, guys, we're going to keep walking, and we're both got soaking wet feet here. Oh, my God. I never swore so much in a video in my life. I got so mad. Oh, my God.
It's my left foot.
Oh, both? I went right in, both my feet. Look at both my feet.
Yeah.
Soaked.
Oh, so it's up, because I went up to here on this one, and I actually fell
Unbelievable.
sideways and had to catch myself before, like, my whole body went.
Unreal. We got more destruction down here, big blocks, and...
Great stuff, man. Well, their video stopped abruptly again. So, thank you, fellas. That was some good stuff. So that's Curtis47. After I upload this, I'll leave a link in the description box. Go sub his channel. Tell him Red Brick Bob sent you. And have a beautiful day. And this is empirical evidence unlike anything that geology will offer you. Because geology is a lie. Red bricks. Love your neighbor like you love yourself. Thanks, fellas. Peace. See you on the internet. See you in the black mirror. We out of here.